medical thing, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. EMTs.
EMT.
I was going, what the hell are you talking about?
I got my M's and G's backwards. Yeah, remember we had that together the first time we went out to dinner?
I do. He's thinking about it. I don't know. All those beautiful leaves. Say that word again, Bill. Shaditas.
Okay.
He changed his mind. He's got to have a high pucker factor going now, man.
Shit, if that tree fell over, he's dead. Or he's wishing he did. Manuel up there.
Yeah.
That's Manuel doing.
He shut this off. I don't know. God, is he going higher? Oh, man.
Look at how he does that. He does it so that there's a twig left, and he grabs it and slows it down.
Yeah.
That's what he's doing.
He learned some experience. Well, he must have a reason he's not. It's probably too heavy. Because that wood is very wet and heavy wood. It's not any good for firewood either. Do you? Now he's tying off on.
What's he doing now?
He's tying it off so hose B can pull it, I guess, once he cuts it.
Oh, yeah, that's what he's doing. And he'll come out this way and put pressure.
Hopefully, he said hopefully.
Okay. Go, doctor.
Hey, good.
Oh, wow, he cuts it so close to where he is. Yeah.
Oh, not that guy.
All right, clean drop. All right.